Now continuation of previous video. Next I will do sum number 2 Roman 2. X to the power minus 5 to the power 2 by 3, then 3 by 10. So this one I have told, this will be multiplied, so it will become x to the power minus 5 2s are 10, 10 by 3, and here 3 by 10. Now this and this and this and this will be cancelled out, x to the power minus 1. Now I have told you, when power is negative, then it will become 1 by x. It will come in denominator. Clear? Power is negative, it will come in denominator. Next, I am doing this one. Number 4. This is cube root. Cube root of a to the power minus 2. B is out of the root into cube root of b to the power minus 2. C is out of the root into cube root of c to the power minus 2. A is out of the root. Now first what we will do? We will remove the root. So it will become a to the power minus 2 by 3 into b to the power same way minus 2 by 3 into c to the power minus 2 by 3 into a. Clear? Now we know same base, then in case of multiplication we can add the powers. So here first we will write a related terms together, a to the power minus 2 by 3 into a. Clear? I am keeping one bracket. Keep it in one bracket. Now here b to the power 1 into b to the power minus 2 by 3. Similarly, c to the power 1 into c to the power minus 2 by 3. Now you see here 1 I have written first time, but you will not write. Clear? Now first we are starting this chapter, that's why I have written here 1. If you will not write anything, that means power is 1. Now same base, here also a, here also a. There is multiplication sign. So what we can do? We can add the power. Here minus 2 by 3, here there is 1. So I'll write in this form, a to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 into b to the power 1 minus 2 by 3 into c to the power 1 minus 2 by 3. Then a to the power LCM is 3 minus 2 plus 3. B to the power same way 3 minus 2. C to the power 3 minus 2. Now 3 minus 2 means 1. Then this is also 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. Now same power 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So here we can give one bracket in this way and power we can write in this way. Clear? Now ABC to the power 1 by 3 is the answer. Next. Number 7. X to the power a by x. This may come in MCQ part. Now you see here, same base. So we can subtract the power. So it will become x to the power a minus b. Clear? Into, that is into a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly here, same power, same base, power will be subtracted. So we can write x to the power b minus c into that b square plus bc plus c square, into here also same base, we will subtract the powers. So this is multiplication, c square plus ca plus a square. Now we will apply one formula. What is that? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square means what? A cube minus b cube. Clear? Similarly here, b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square means b cube minus c cube. Here also same formula applied, c cube minus a cube. Now again you are seeing that there is multiplication, base same, so we can add the powers. So again we will add base same, so powers will be added, a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Now everything is cancelled out, it is becoming x to the power 0. Now I had told you that any finite quantity, non-zero finite quantity to the power 0 means its value is always 1. Clear? So its value is coming 1. X to the power 0, there is x to the power 0. If there is a to the power 0, y to the power 0, its value is 1. 2 to the power 0, value is 1. Next one. From example I am doing one sum. This one. From example I am doing x to the power b by x to the power c into b plus c into x to the power c by x to the power a into c plus a into x to the power a by x to the power b into a plus b. Here also same rule we are applying in different sums. There is division, so powers will be subtracted into b plus c. Same way, c minus a into c plus a into x to the power a minus b into a plus b. Now this is the formula, b minus c into b plus c means b square minus c square. Similarly here, c square minus a square minus b square. Again same base, and this is multiplication, so we add the powers. So after adding, it is coming this. Now see, plus minus, so everything is cancelled out. So again it is coming x to the power 0. I had told you that x to the power 0 means value will be 1. Here this is 1. Now I am doing another simple sum from example. Suppose it is given, why I am doing this from example also. In exam time we give from example also. Okay, so you should practice from example. Find the simplest value of this, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 there will be one third bracket also, into 4 by 5. Clear? Now 32. 32, it is even number. So in terms of 2, if you will calculate the LCMs of 32. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2, if you multiply 5 times, it will become 32. So 2 to the power 5 here into minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into all these powers will be multiplied. So what we are getting, one more step I am doing, minus 10 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. Now 3, 3, 4, 4, it is becoming 2 to the power minus 2. I have told you that when power is negative, it will become in denominator. Now 1 by 2 square means 4. Now see. Clear? Now next sum you will get in next video.